everybody. So, if you are trying to learn a new language and if you're finding ways to make your learning better and engaging and interesting, so I guess I have some tips for you. So, you can watch the video further. Yeah, everybody, I am Marine Sheikh. Okay, so frankly speaking, I've got this question many a times that Marine, how do you speak so fluently and how is your language so good and etc. But frankly speaking, I have no clue how is my language so good. Maybe I think because I was in a convent school, obviously because I was in a convent school, so that is why my language is good. Because जैसे मैं पैदा हुई थी, मैं जैसे मेरे कानों पे मेरी मदर टंग थी, वैसे ही मैं जब से स्कूल में गई थी मेरे कानों पे इंग्लिश थी. So because of that, my accent is like this, and I speak a little good English than the rest. So in college also people used to be like, "ए आम्हाला शिकवू नको, ए आम्हाला शिकवू नको, तू कसलं छान बोलतेस ना, पण आम्हाला पण शिकव." But I had no clue how am I going to teach them? Like, I am not a teacher. So at that time I was clueless, but then I thought over it that how I can do it, like how we all can learn a new language better. So I came to certain conclusions कि हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, and that is why I made this video. कि अगर मेरे को अगली बार से कोई पूछे भाई, I'm gonna straight forward. Okay, I'm gonna forward this video right away. So yeah, let's get started. Step 1 is you gotta watch and hear. That is important. क्योंकि जब हम पैदा होते हैं तो हम मम्मी के पेट से लैंग्वेज सीख के नहीं आते. We see our family members, we hear them through their actions, we see what they mean, and that is how we catch our mother tongue. We catch new words, and that is how we learn our mother tongue. क्योंकि मम्मी तो सिखाती नहीं भैया, ये पास्ट टेंस है, ये प्रेजेंट टेंस है, ये फ्यूचर टेंस. We see our family members, we hear the language, and that is how we learn it. So for starting a new language, we need to do that. Like, we need to hear and watch people saying, people conversing in that language. Like, for that, what we can do is, one, we can watch movies in that particular language. For say English, you can watch English movies, you can hear English songs, you can see series, but make sure that there are subtitles. Because क्या हो जाता है ना कि हर एक कंट्री में अलग एक्सेंट है, तो अगर आपको वो एक्सेंट समझ में नहीं आ रही है तो देख के क्या फ़ायदा. So if you have subtitles, तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि what they are saying, and you'll have a clue what is going on. So always watch movies or series जिनमें subtitles आते हैं added नीचे. So the step 1 is very important, कि you should hear and watch movies and songs and etc. Because that is how you'll be familiar to the language. So step 2 is that we need to read. Reading is very essential when it comes to learn a new language, because when you read, you see the sentence formation and how you can form sentences, and how something is said in past tense, in present tense, in future tense, and etc. मतलब वो आप particularly सीखते नहीं हो, but आपके वो ख्याल में आ जाता है, आपके जहन में आ जाता है. So that is important that you read. Also, when you read, you think in that particular language. मतलब आप पढ़ रहे हो, आप सोच रहे हो. So the language becomes a little familiar to you, and also your vocabulary जो है आपकी वो अच्छी होती है. It gets better. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अगर एक वर्ड को आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा डिक्शनरी में और फिर उसका मतलब समझना पड़ेगा और फिर आपको यूज़ कर सकते हो. मतलब अगर एक शब्द बार बार कोई सेंटेंस में आ रहा है तो आप खुद ही क्लू लगा लेते हो उसका कि व्हाट डज इट मीन, और आप उसका उपयोग कैसे कर सकते हो. आई एम गेटिंग मोर इनटू वीडियो, बाय गॉड. Okay, so the second most important thing is to read. So step 3 is to think in English. Because अभी आपने देखा, आपने समझ लिया that what are the sentences and how you will say it, pronounce it, और ले कैसी है वो लैंग्वेज की. सेकंड, आपने सेंटेंस बनाना सीख लिया, आपने पास्ट प्रेजेंट अननोइंगली सीख लिया, वोकैबुलरी आपकी अच्छी हो गई. अब आपको है दैट यू शुड थिंक इन इंग्लिश, बिकॉज व्हेन यू थिंक इन अ पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज यू स्पीक इन दैट लैंग्वेज. सो थिंकिंग, फर्स्ट थिंकिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि जब तक आप सोचोगे नहीं तब तक आप बोल नहीं पाओगे. सो स्टार्ट thinking in that particular language. So then the fourth important thing is that you should practice. So now what you'll do is, after you're अभी आपका सोच के हो गया, now you're ready. So go in front of the mirror, go and shower and speak. जितना भी आपने सोचा है, you try to speak it out, and that is how you'll become, your tongue will become familiar with the language. और शब्द जो है, वो sentences जो है, वो आसानी से बाहर आएंगे. मे बी आप गलत बोल रहे हो, मे बी आप सही बोल रहे हो, but speak in front of the mirror, then you'll see how confident you are, and the confidence levels, and what is going wrong and what is going right. You'll self-analyze it. So start practicing it. Now the fifth important thing is to communicate. Now that you're ready, now that your tongue is familiar with that language, try to speak in that language to other people. Maybe to your mother, maybe with your mother, your father, your brother, sister, or your friend who's trying to learn that particular language. Try to communicate with them. Maybe you're going wrong, maybe you're going right, maybe you have numerous grammatical mistakes, maybe whatever, but communicate, and that is how you'll understand कि क्या सही है, क्या नहीं है, क्या होना चाहिए, क्या नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको कौन से word को कैसे pronounce करना है. That is you know, that you'll learn then when you will start communicating it. So I think it is very important that you should communicate in English, and it'll do wonders for you, because your tongue needs to be familiar with the language. और जब फिर आसानी से शब्द जो है वो बाहर निकल के आएंगे, वरना तो हम सबको पता ही है. So the sixth important step is to repeat all the steps जो हमने पहले किए थे, and you keep repeating it, and I guess the language will definitely be better and better and better. Okay, so this was all for now, and I hope this video helps you out in some way. I just hope, because I just handed out everything I knew. So I don't know if this is going to help you or not, but I just hope that this helps you out in some way. So yeah, this was all for now, and just remember, language is just a way to communicate. It is not important कि आनी ही चाहिए या पता ही होना चाहिए. It is just a way to communicate. So just like it's not like, oh wow, she speaks English, oh. It's ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just a way of communication. तो हम communicate हिंदी में कर सकते हैं, हम communicate मराठी में भी कर सकते हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But if you want to learn English, or if you want to learn any other language, this ways I think it'll help you out in some way. These steps will help you out in some way. So yeah, this was all for now. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.